My name is Naina Singh and I have qualified for NIFT with my rank being 127. And yeah, hi. So I'm here to discuss about my journey, which officially began in 11th grade when I started getting more serious and started looking for colleges and all. And I love designing. I liked art and I joined design circle and then went to classes and the rest is history and everything happens very fast, exams, results and everything. So here, my advice, I guess, for you guys would be art. Just don't leave art. Do whatever you want. Do photography, sketch your parents. I don't know, make your own style. Do graphics. Just don't leave it. Just don't stop. Just let your creativity take over. And yeah. And also very important according to me, read books. I think they are very helpful. They help increase your imagination and of course English. And yeah, read newspapers, try to read newspapers and yeah, magazines and stuff and maths. Yeah, I guess. And also the most important thing, don't be shy to ask questions. I was really shy, but especially in design circle when I started going, I realized if you're they can't help you unless you ask questions. They are a guidance system. They are very professional and they'll really help you if you ask. So yeah, don't be shy. And all the best. I know this year is weird, but I know you can do it. So
Hello, I'm Akshi. My experience and journey with DC has been amazing. DC is as comfortable as one's home. The DC team is very cool and is ready to help one out to face the challenges of life. It is not very difficult to clear these exams if one practices regularly and under the right guidance. I, as a person, could never stay away from phone, and I was guided as how I could make use of the phone in the right way to help me prepare for these exams. With a little self control and proper guidance from the DC team, the phone, instead of being a distraction, became an asset. It is not only necessary that one follows all the DC guidelines, but is also essential to keep one's mind and eyes open wherever one goes. These entrances are all about your observation power, imagination, practice, and a little bit of brains. The team at DC helps and guides in how to enhance the observation skills and imagination. And I am really very grateful to Sumit sir and the DC team. You will never feel alone or down. DC will always have your back. Thank you so much, DC team, for shaping up my future. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Ishita and I just cleared my NIFT entrance exam with the 2-digit rank. This was my second attempt at the exam and the only reason why I was able to make it this year was because of the constant support and guidance that Design Circle gave me. They are a team of wonderful teachers who understand you and understand your pace of learning. There is no typical classroom environment where they are teaching one thing and it's on you whether you understand it or not. Each student gets individual attention and each student's needs are understood, and it's okay if you're not able to get something in one go. They always push you to do better, and once it's not just about the entrance. They taught us to think like a designer, and they improved our art overall, not just for the entrance. They made us in general better artists. At the end of the year, I saw a huge difference in my work, and I'm extremely happy that I joined Design Circle when I did, and all that I was able to do was because of their guidance, and I'm extremely grateful to them.
Design Circle for me has been a boon. It helped me actualize my dream of clearing NIFT and NID. And the faculty here is so encouraging, so patient, and they really know their job. They're very experienced, very skilled. And the great thing is that everything that is taught here is customized to each student's ability. So at no point do you feel like something is going above your head. And you don't have to necessarily be an artist or someone who knows how to draw, the faculty here will help you tap into your own skills. You know, like for me, certain teachers helped me tap into skills which even I didn't know I possessed. So, and even, you know, when you want to get into such prestigious colleges, you need to know the fine details, and you can trust DC to know them, Design Circle to know them. So if you're considering applying to NIFT and NID, I would definitely recommend taking Design Circle's help.
Hi there, I'm Mahinder Kaur. I cleared NIFT by getting a rank 543. I joined Design Circle. Initially, it was just like any other coaching center for me, but after I realized it was much more than that. With amazing teachers like Gaurav sir, Sumit sir, Chandan sir, I've learned so much from them. They were always so supportive. We were always told that it's okay if we don't get into NIFT. It's just one of the paths to our future. I practiced a lot for the drawing questions. We were given monthly GK notes, which was so helpful. The teachers gave their 100% to ensure that we were getting things done. And Sumit sir has always been so optimistic about my result and my work which has helped me to find confidence in myself. I also want to thank each and every faculty member to help me get this, and I'm proud to be a part of the DC family.
Hi, I am Sanya Mohanty. I recently secured a rank of 527 in NIFT in UG for Bachelor's in Design. Design Circle has helped me grow as a person. They made me realize that the key to success is only through dedication, hard work, and a lot of practice. I love the faculty. They gave me their 100% and made me confident that I could pursue my career in the field of design. I attended all my classes here, and Sumit sir also mentored me and helped me improve my skills and drawing that could help me in my near future. Every teacher in Design Circle has inspired me to work hard even on weekends. I love everyone here and I admire everything about Design Circle. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Khushi Mehra and I am a student at DC. Last year I gave NIFT without any coaching, so my rank was somewhere in 2000s. But then I got to know about DC Design Circle, and today it has put me in a position where I am a step closer to achieving my goals. I secured 154th rank in NIFT this year, and all of this was possible because of the consistent support and guidance by every one of them, the most amazing and the most generous group of mentors. So I thank every one of them. Thank you so much, sir. And they had so much faith in me that even I didn't have in myself. I cherished every moment there, like learning, eating, working with them, enjoying, chilling and whatnot. So it holds one of the wonderful memories of my life. And if you are a design aspirant, I'll suggest you to join DC without giving it a thought. It is worth it, trust me. And also guys, DC is not a coaching, it is Design Circle.
My journey of cracking NIFT 2020 is very difficult to encapsulate in just a few words, but on a whole it has been really exhaustive, including a lot of practice, a lot of observation, a lot of late nights, a lot of DC tests and a lot of reviews, and finally a lot of overthinking. But there has been a constant anchor with me throughout this journey, which is my family and Design Circle especially. There are mentors in DC for me who are the best of best. I couldn't have asked for anything more, and I humbly bow in respect and reverence to all the teachers who have guided me throughout my 2 years. Design Circle has given me perspective into design. It has taught me what design means for me. It has pushed my limits to let me explore where my interests lie. It has taught me that design is not only restricted to fashion and drawing, it is much more than that. And as I sit here talking about my 2 years with Design Circle, I think and I hope that I will be able to remain in touch with DC and always be a part of DC family. Thank you, DC.
Since forever, I have wanted to be a part of the world of fashion, and what better place than NIFT Delhi. So when I was in 10th grade, my parents and I started talking to different people, friends, colleagues, senior NIFTians, etc. to find which was the best institution where I could get guidance to crack NIFT. And a lot of places recommended Design Circle, so we went for it. And my experience at Design Circle has been truly exceptional. The teachers are very, very sensitive to every child's individual needs. The atmosphere is so constructive and interactive. It makes the studies very fun and engaging. And I've learned way, way beyond than what is just the curriculum. It's truly the best place which bridges the gap between what is taught in school and what we need to know to crack NIFT. So yeah, I love all of my teachers and I'm very proud to be a student at
Hi guys, so my name is Adya and I recently secured rank 587 in NIFT for undergraduate, and my journey with Design Circle has been amazing. The amount of support that the DC team has showed, the amount of support that Sumit sir showed to me at every step of my journey has been overwhelming. And for all the design aspirants that are going to give entrances this year, I would just like to tell them that focus on your studies along with the fun that you have, because I used to roam a lot in horse cars, but when it came to designing I used to give my heart to it. And also keep in touch with what's going around you, observe little things, how things are made, and keep in touch with the basic maths and pay attention to the tips and tricks that are taught to you in class in DC, because that is going to help you a lot in the entrance exam. And overall, have fun and best of luck.
Hi, my name is Sana Gardi and I scored a rank of 211 in the NIFT examinations. For my preparations, I went to Design Circle. I faced a lot of challenges in the beginning, for example, time management, but DC faculty really helped me push through this obstacle. Whether it be me needing GK notes or having maths doubts, they were right there to help me at any given point of time. Things started to look really positive the day I entered Design Circle, and the amount of confidence that was instilled in me on day one was extremely motivating. One thing I realized during the preparation was not to take any subject lightly, whether it be GK, English. Practice only makes you better and faster at these subjects. And another thing was observation. Observing your surroundings really helps you in the long run. And had it not been for the help and constant guidance that was given to me by the DC faculty, I would not have been able to achieve what I did today. Thank you.
When I grow up, I want to be a costume designer, which is why I started preparing for the NIFT entrance exam in 11th and 12th grade. There are so many quotes about how you should turn your dreams into your plans, and I did that for myself when I joined Design Circle. 11th and 12th grade is a crazy time. There is so many things going on. You have to prepare for your board exams. There are so many pre-boards and mock exams, and apart from that you also have to give an entrance exam, so there's a lot of pressure. And this is where I felt Design Circle helped me a lot, because I used to do my school work during the week, and during the weekend I would go to Design Circle, and over there I would get regular guidance and coaching from all of these amazing teachers and amazing faculty. You see, the best part about the DC family is that I've always dreamt that I want to be a fashion designer and I want to go to NIFT, but when I became part of the DC family, it became their dream to see me in NIFT. Through the regular guidance, feedback, tests, homeworks, they built up my confidence and showed me that I could actually, I am capable of fulfilling my dream. So I was going through all of my previous artwork, and I could actually see how I have grown. Wait, I'll show this. This is in 11th grade when I joined Design Circle, and these are the more recent drawings that I made. So I've seen myself not only grow as an artist or a student, but I've also seen myself grow as a person and as myself, and I cannot thank Design Circle enough.
I'm Soumya, and I took coaching at Design Circle for NIFT and NID entrances. I would like to share my journey with the coaching center of 2 years. The one thing that really helped me while being in Design Circle is that they made me learn how to accept criticism without being offended. Secondly, the welcoming nature of the faculty. They never made you feel inferior. You would never feel like you're out of place, which is a big deal for me since I'm an introvert. Everyone was respected equally, and that's the best thing I liked about Design Circle. Going to Design Circle was never a thing of pressure. You never felt like you're going to study. I personally, I would feel like I'm going to have fun, and the faculty made sure that you would. I would specifically like to thank Sumit sir because he's been extremely supportive. The way he works is very inspiring. I'm very grateful to Design Circle for helping me throughout. I have really grown not only in design, not only in drawing and my current affairs, but also as a person. So thank you very much, DC.
Hi everyone, this is Ashmat Rehan. I got a score of 540 in Common Merit Rank and 434 in General Merit Rank in NIFT entrance exam. A big thanks to Design Circle team for constant support and guidance. It would not have been possible without your help. A special thanks to Sumit sir, Chandan sir and Gaurav sir for always being there for me, for believing in me and giving me all the confidence. Thank you Design Circle team for all the hard work you have done for us.
Hi, I'm Sharanya, and I just qualified for NIFT, and I've been taking coaching from Design Circle, and I was earlier very confused whether I should opt for design or for economics, but somehow since a kid I've had a lot of interest in design, and so my mom instantly looked for places where I could take coaching from, and the first one that popped up was Design Circle. Another friend of mine was also going to Design Circle, and she really recommended me to check it out. And the good thing is that when I joined, maybe I wasn't very sure if this was the right place for me, but they let me take a few demo classes, which actually were very beneficial for me because they not only told me how the teachings were, but the entire environment there, which is very warm and welcoming for every newcomer. And I did not take coaching for too long. I only took it for barely 6 months, and I qualified for NIFT, and I'm glad that I went to Design Circle because the teachers, the staff there is very sweet, and they're always open to you. They're always opening up to new ideas. They're always welcoming your ideas, so which is a really nice thing. And I would recommend every student who wants to appear for such exams, and not only for NIFT or NID or such institutes, but even abroad. I think Design Circle provides the best learning and the best portfolios too. So I have had a very amazing experience with Design Circle. That's all I would want to say, and I would want to thank all the people there for helping me so much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Divisha and I just cleared NIFT with a merit rank of 490. So I was a student at Design Circle, and honestly it made it so much easier for me. The reason being that I never felt like I was going to a coaching institute because of the amount of comfort and support provided by the faculty there. I never felt like I was juggling between my academics and my examination preparations, as they helped me attain a regularity and a balance in my routine. Another thing being that they don't just prepare you for the exams, they introduce you to the reality of a lot of things and how to go about it. There is a lot of experiential based learning included. Furthermore, I feel like I was underconfident about a lot of things, for example maths, but the teachers there are so supportive and so helpful that they help you to progress at it instead of instead of you just running away from things. In conclusion, I would like to say that practice as much as you can and adhere to what your teachers are telling you, because that way it's just going to be a cakewalk for you.
Figures, but the fact that they made you believe in yourself and that you have to just represent who you are on the paper is what Design Circle taught me, and what I did on the paper has got me into NIFT. So I just love the DC team. Love you all.
My name is Pratisha Thama. I wanted to pursue a career in fashion management, and so I applied for this postgraduate program in NIFT, that is MFM, Masters in Fashion Management, and gave the entrance exam and secured an All India rank 23, which is why I'm sitting here taking this opportunity to thank Design Circle and its teachers for helping me achieve this rank and making this result possible. First of all, I would like to thank Sumit sir, simply for creating this warm and welcoming environment. At the same time, which is so motivational and never letting us slack. I would like to thank Gaurav sir for being so patient, explaining each and everything over and over again, and mentoring us and guiding us till the very end. I would like to thank Himani ma'am for being such a wonderful English teacher. I've honestly learned so much from her, and I'm grateful to each and every one of them for helping me be here and achieving this rank. And I would always look up towards them, even in the future, for their guidance, and I would really like to thank them once again. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Anjali. I'm a student at Design Circle, and I have recently cleared the NIFT examination, securing a common merit rank of 92. Now, I have always been interested in sketching and drawing, and so I knew that career-wise I wanted to do something creative in the design field. But I was very unsure of the entire procedure of getting into a design college. So that's when I approached Design Circle. And the first thing I observed when I went there was that the environment was very friendly and creative, because you were constantly surrounded by creative minds like you. And apart from that, the faculty was very helpful. You have different faculties specializing in different topics. And I think the best part was that whenever I would do something, I would get an immediate one-to-one feedback from them. So which helped me work on my weak points and get to know my strong points. And you would also get very frequent mock tests and practice papers. So when the actual exam comes, there's no nervousness of sitting in an exam-like environment and doing that. So I think because of all those things, Design Circle had simplified the entire procedure of getting into a design college and guided me through every part of it, because of which I am where I am right now.
Hi, my name is Simran Bhatnagar. I recently passed out of school and I cleared my NIFT exam and achieved a rank of 654. So Design Circle was my companion in preparing for my NIFT exam, cracking it and getting into my dream college. The teachers were really supportive. They helped me throughout these years, improving my drawing skills for the CAD part and achieving an aptitude in practice for the CAD part. Also, they gave me a clear picture and a lot of information regarding the courses and the future prospects of various fields in design. So my overall journey was really great, and I got my dream college.
Hi, my name is Bhavika, and I cleared the NIFT entrance exam with an All India rank 156 and category rank 131. So I only decided that I wanted to give the exam just like a month or two before the given date. And being a grade 12 student, that did not leave me with a lot of time to prepare, because I was busy with board practicals and pre-boards and whatnot. So I decided to take Design Circle's help, and even though I was not able to take any actual classes because of my time constraint, I only prepared and studied with the notes and all of the study material that they provided me with, which consisted of worksheets and mock papers and very thorough notes. And I found them more helpful than any aptitude books that I could find in the market. And they also proved to be more than enough because I cleared the exam. And also Sumit sir was like a constant source of encouragement and support and positivity. And
Hi, I'm Ishita Nagpal, and I took coaching from Design Circle for my NIFT preparation, and the results just came out recently. I got a category merit rank of 99, and here's how I did it. The Design Circle faculty has been really helpful. They provided me with feedback for each and every single question that I had attempted. It really helped me with my confidence because I had attempted a lot of questions before actually sitting for the test, and it gave me an idea of where I was and how much I actually needed to improve. Also, another thing I remember doing was reading the newspaper every day. I think this is a must, keeping yourself up to date with the GK and current affairs. And another thing I think is very important is observing everything. I remember observing while I was traveling in the metro and in the car. So pretty much that's it. Thank you.
From every rough sketch to every piece of art I've made, Design Circle has been extremely helpful. The staff members there are very sociable and encouraging. They felt more friend than teachers. After an entire year of practice, hard work, and fun, I've come to realize that nothing is impossible to achieve because of Design Circle. In this short span of time, they helped me recognize which field of design was the best for me and which colleges were the most suited for me. My journey in Design Circle began as an amateur artist, but with the immense efforts made by the teachers, I could realize my true talents and my full potential. It has been a fruitful journey where I made new friends, learned new styles and techniques, and carved my way to my desired colleges. I will take back colorful memories from Design Circle.
Hi, I am Cherry Agarwal and I am from Meerut. I took the NIFT entrance exam 2020 and secured the common merit rank 227. It was around the beginning of my standard 12th when I started thinking about a career in design, and I took the NIFT exam 2019, but I couldn't get through and I did not know what to do next. So a school teacher suggested Design Circle and I took a gap year and started preparing for the exam with Design Circle. This place has one of the best mentors who will guide you with honest opinions, suggestions and feedback. They push you to do your best. And there are frequent visits by former DC students who are now in good design colleges, and that becomes a great opportunity for you to learn and know about their experiences. I will forever be grateful for everything that I've learned here and all the memories that I have made. Thank you so much Design Circle for making my dreams come true. And I would like to recommend Design Circle to all the design aspirants who are passionate about making a future in design. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Iris Maan and my NIFT rank is 136. I personally feel that clearing NIFT itself is a huge accomplishment and getting a good rank is a cherry on top. All of this could not have been possible without Design Circle. I had been attending their classes for the past 2 years and I feel that the faculty there itself is so motivating and they always push you to do better than yourself. We would get monthly notes which would help us prepare, and personally the best part was the feedback from all of the teachers, because you get to look at your own work from a different perspective and then improve on yourself. I also want to say that it was so fun attending their classes that you would yourself want to go there even on holidays or on your days off at school. So I really owe all of this to Design Circle, and preparing with them has been a marvelous journey.
Hi everyone, I am Riddhi Anand, rank 881. It all started when a friend of mine saw my inclination towards design, but I did not know what to do actually, like the footsteps basically, how you go about it. So she suggested me to join Design Circle and I did the same. Luckily I did it. So when I joined Design Circle, I did not knew that I was enrolling to a family and an ample amount of memories and just not a coaching institution to teach what design is. So while I was preparing and by the time passed by, we were told how to do better, how to not compete with others but better ourselves. The inspiration, the motivation our mentors put into us just ambushed the rainbows, and it all came out to be very nice. Our marathon classes, our repetitive schedules to make our concepts utterly and butterly clear. Okay, and I was like, it was all for me. It was like Midas touch to me, that they made me, they brought the best out of me. Thank you, Design Circle.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम आदित्य कुमार है। मैं साहिबगंज झारखंड से हूँ। मैं पिछले साल डिज़ाइन सर्कल ज्वाइन किया ताकि मैं डिज़ाइन एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम क्लियर कर सकूँ। मुझे बताते हुए काफ़ी खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि इस साल मैं निफ्ट में 52 रैंक प्राप्त किया और NID मेंस के लिए भी मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ है। मेरा मानना है कि डिज़ाइन सर्कल अपने आप में अनोखा कोचिंग है, क्योंकि यहाँ की पढ़ाने की शैली काफ़ी अलग है और मुझे प्रत्येक दिन कुछ नया सीखने को मिला, जो कि मेरी क्रिएटिविटी को बूस्ट करने में काफ़ी मददगार साबित हुआ। कैसे किसी सवाल को इनोवेटिव वे में दिखा सकते हैं, यह मुझे सीखने को मिला और मेरी स्केचिंग लेवल काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुई। और इन सब का श्रेय हमारे सुमित सर, शिवम सर, गौरव सर, नर्जा सर को जाता है और मुझे गर्व है कि मैं DC का छात्र हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Everyone, I'm Sanjula and I scored All India Rank 1 for NIFT MFM 2020. I prepared for the entrance exam and the interview section of the process at Design Circle, and it is because of the guidance of the teachers who directed my efforts in the right direction that my hard work paid off. From day one, it was never about just preparing for the exam. It was also about introspecting and developing skills for your education, your career, your future. And in the long run, all of that paid off. Our instructor Gaurav sir was always very thorough with the basics, and he adapted very quickly to the online mode, and throughout the lockdown he kept us engaged and motivated by taking group discussion and interview sessions on Zoom itself. And so he prepared us very well for the interview. He kept us motivated throughout. At Design Circle, I did not get mere coaching. I received constant guidance and support. So it was mentorship in the truest sense of the word, and for that I'm very grateful to Sumit sir, Gaurav sir and all of the other instructors there. If you come to Design Circle with an open mind and a willingness to learn, I assure you that you'll never feel alone in trying to achieve your dreams.
I would like to start off by saying a big thank you to Sir and Sumit sir and Team Design Circle. If it wasn't for you guys, I would have never done this. I am forever grateful, and I think coming to DC was the best decision I ever made. I still remember the first time one of my friends told me about Design Circle, and I spoke to Sumit sir over the call, and I just knew that yeah, this is the place where I want to go, where I want to go for my training. I need to learn from them. The teachers at Design Circle are amazing. They never fail to amaze me. Their skill is, if I'm half as good as they are, I think I'll do okay in life. Thank you so much for never getting frustrated with me. Thank you for just training me to clear one of the biggest exams in India in 3 months. Thank you so much, sir, for always having a lot of patience with me. Thank you. This would not have been possible without you. I am very grateful, and Design Circle will always be a very good memory. I miss it. I will miss it every day. It was my 3 months very well spent. DC is home away from home.
Hello everyone. My name is Kunjika Kaushik and I am a student of Design Circle. I've secured a rank of 782 in the NIFT Entrance Exam 2020. The Design Circle team is not only teachers but a family of motivators and supporters that help us at every level. They provide us with the best facilities and help us with all our strengths and weaknesses, be it in any subject, that is English, maths, logical, reasoning or any other difficulty that we are facing. The personalized support and care that they give us help us throughout this journey of going into NIFT. And unlike any other entrance coaching institutes, Design Circle family, Sumit sir, stays with us even after the result and help us choose the best for us. I feel very lucky to be a part of the Design Circle family, and I'm very happy that I've been able to get such beautiful mentors and a family, a guru like Sumit sir, Gaurav sir, and my entire DC family. Thank you so much for your guidance and support.
Good morning. My name is Adhya Gupta and I'm 21 years old. I was born in New Delhi and I've lived here my entire life. I finished my schooling from Delhi Public School, R.K. Puram, and for my undergraduate, I pursued economics honors from Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University. The reason why I chose economics was to get a better understanding of how society functions at large. Growing up, I've always been surrounded by art and creativity. For as long as I can remember, I've been drawing and painting, sketching, doodling, and even quilling. I remember back in school, my hands used to almost always be covered in paint because I would be designing boards or doing something or the other that was art related. I love writing, photography, and painting because it allows me to express myself in different ways. I also have an explorative nature and I love learning new things. Recently, I've been learning the Korean language and it amazed me how similar it is to Hindi. Along with that, I've been taking a couple of online courses on sociology and gender studies, along with some courses on illustration. During the lockdown, I picked up a couple of hobbies like cooking and gardening as well.
When I first joined Design Circle, I was a raw person. I knew what my goal was, but I had no path. Design Circle gave me direction and helped me get closer to my goal. The constant mentoring by the teachers, especially by Sumit sir, made me not only a better person but also a confident person and helped me enrich my skills. On every obstacle, Sumit sir was always there for me to guide me through it. Now Design Circle has become my family. Even during the lockdown, I never missed my school as much as I missed Design Circle. I am and will always be a part of this family.
Hi, I'm Khushi Vora and this is my journey in DC. So I remember my first day in DC being intimidated by every other person there, and I'm sure that was true for everyone. But I felt feeling completely clueless and hopeless, and I had no sense of confidence in my art. I just knew that I wanted to take up fashion as something that I would do throughout my life. Sitting through tons of mock tests, constant evaluation of your marks, and even that one less mark felt like a major setback. But throughout all this, Sumit sir made sure that the students don't forget that one thing for which they came for, that is studying in NIFT. And I'm just fortunate enough to crack NIFT Delhi, and which was nothing but efforts of Sumit sir and every other faculty there who treat you like a family and make you stronger like a family. So thank you for turning this prodigious fantasy into reality.
I was initially very worried about whether I would be able to clear the exam or not, but I was actually able to go through the entire examination process with a very relaxed state of mind because of Sumit sir and all of the support that he gave to all of his students. So I just want to say thank you, Design Circle.
Hi, my name is Malar Nair and I recently secured a common rank of 24 and a category rank of 19 in the NIFT MFM examination. Being from a BBA background, this dream seemed quite unattainable at first, but as soon as I joined Design Circle, their rigorous training and constant mentorship coupled with my hard work helped me achieve this dream. I am truly grateful to Design Circle and its faculty for providing me with such an amazing learning experience and utmost guidance, not only in academics but in all spheres of life.
Hi, I'm Soumya, and before even joining Design Circle, I was not even able to draw a single cuboid or just a straight line. So I think the fact that I cleared the entrance exam of two of the most prestigious design institutes in India, that is NIFT and NID, is all because of Design Circle and my journey and the things that I've learned in Design Circle. So apart from our amazing and regular classes, the notes we used to have, the different mock tests, the amazing faculty, and learning to draw like simple human figures and lines and vehicles, products, interiors, human faces. We've struggled through it all and faced all of it at Design Circle. And even at times when we felt that we will not be able to make it through, the constant mental support kept us all going, and especially the kind of support that I received from each and every faculty just actually made my dream come true. So I think Design Circle has not only helped me with just clearing the exam, it has also equipped me with the kind of design knowledge, the thought process and the sensitivity and the observational skill that one requires throughout life, not just for clearing the exam. So that is something that I'm really grateful for, and I'll cherish it for the rest of my life.
Hi, I'm Tak Sethi, 18th rank holder in the prestigious NIFT Entrance Examination 2020. I had interest in art and design since the very beginning. I started drawing at the age of 2, and my parents were very supportive since the very beginning. Without support of parents, it is very difficult to achieve our dreams. People always said that art is meant for girls, and they started calling me crazy. That is when my parents told me that when people start commenting on you that you're crazy, that is when your path of success begins. Managing NIFT preparations in school was a difficult task. So instead of considering it as my work, I started considering it as my passion. So I used to draw in my free time as a break from studies, not getting distracted by anything else. So 3 tools that helped me reach such a good rank were speed, skills and ideas. My observation was strong since the very beginning, but in addition to this, I'm thankful to Design Circle and faculty who helped me enhance my skills with their guidance. It is their hard work and guidance that motivate me to work hard. After all, a stone needs polishing to shine like a diamond. I believe that with desire, dedication and determination, we can make our own destiny.
Hi, I'm Vanshika, and I'm a student at Design Circle, and I secured rank 15th in NIFT. So at the start of my 12th, I decided of pursuing designing as my future, where I enrolled myself with Design Circle, and they really helped me out in improving my skills and telling me about the intricacies and technical aspects about designing. And the faculty at Design Circle is extremely experienced and friendly, and they will go out of the way to help you. They even constantly provide you with the materials and sources so that to enhance your knowledge about things happening all around the globe. And at last, I would like to say thank you to Sumit sir, Shivam sir and rest of the faculty members of Design Circle for bringing out the best in me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Krishnam Bhatia and I hold a rank of 387 for the NIFT admission examination. I've always had a passion to pursue design, and Design Circle really helped me with this, as my IB board has really been strenuous all throughout, and my weak area has been current affairs. So Design Circle really helped me refine my artistic skills as well as my current affairs skills, as they provided us with current affair updates all throughout. So thank you to Design Circle and thank you to their amazing faculty.
Hey everybody, this is Pavitra and I've recently cleared my NIFT examination with a rank of 43. A big thanks to Design Circle team. They helped me a lot through this journey, and not only before the examination, even after the result, and they are still lending me a helping hand because the counseling process is going on. From the silliest questions of mine to the most important questions, thanks for answering each of it. Thank you, you mean a lot to me.
Hi, I'm Shreya Jolly. I secured All India Rank 9 in the NIFT entrance exam for the course MFM. I would like to thank Design Circle for the help and guidance. Without their support, I wouldn't have been able to achieve this rank. They were there for me throughout this journey of mine, by clearing doubts, taking multiple mock tests, giving adequate and timely feedback. They helped me achieve my dream to get an admission in NIFT Delhi. I always wanted to get admission in this college. Without them, I wouldn't have been able to achieve this dream of mine. Thank you, Design Circle, for all your help. I would really recommend all of you to join Design Circle to achieve this success. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muskan Kandia. I recently secured a rank 120 in the NIFT entrance exam this year. The credit of my success goes to the Design Circle faculty and especially to Sumit sir, who helped me a lot in this beautiful journey and always motivated me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Design Circle. The faculty here is very interactive and very friendly. All the teachers are young, experienced, and very cooperative, so it gets very easy to talk to them. After joining Design Circle, they made us sketch a lot. So I developed this habit of sketching on a regular basis, which helped me perform well in my CAT part of the first round. And for the other part of the first round, that is GAT, paying equal attention to each and every subject will help you achieve a good rank in the entrance exam. The Design Circle conducted many workshops and seminars about how to develop portfolio and many other things. They and gave us exposure about the fashion industry. It helped me. It was very useful for me as it cleared all my doubts. And if you are a design aspirant, please join Design Circle as it is the best. Thank you.
Hey there, so I qualified both NIFT and NID's first round in the year 2020, and I would say that DC helped me a lot in a way that nobody else could. Sure, my parents were there for me, everyone was trying their best to help me figure my way out through this, but DC already had the experience, the faculty to help you with everything that you could possibly face. So, and other than that, I also incorporated design in my life in a sense that I had my own clothes designed for my cousin's wedding, and then I got this project in 11th class, but instead of making it into a simple notebook project like most people would, I made it into a model. So you have to stand out and make things so that everything is a portfolio, a part of a portfolio in the end. So yeah, I guess all the best.
I'm Saloni Gupta and I recently secured 22 rank in NIFT BDES program. I completed my 12th and decided to give a whole year for the preparation of the same, and that's when I joined Design Circle. Design Circle is not just a coaching center, but it's a place where you can build yourself. I was learning every day, something new every day. I would just sit with my teachers and discuss my ideas, and they would tell me where I am lacking. It was a whole other interaction level, and I think the environment really matters. And when you learn in such a place where you're not bound to learn that what's necessary, your mind develops on its own. And when a teacher dedicates towards you, and when you also chip in your hard work, a good result definitely comes up. So yeah, thank you.